If you want to set a 5120 by 1080 project in CapCut, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. This is a really useful setup if you're creating ultra-wide content, cinematic edits, or a custom horizontal format for your videos. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's get right into it. First, open your CapCut project and import the video you want to edit. Once your clip is inside CapCut, drag it down to the timeline so it's ready to work with. This is important because the custom resolution setting will apply to your project and you want your media already in place before making the change. Next, look above the timeline and find the ratio option under the preview player. Click on it, and a menu should appear with different aspect ratio presets. Instead of choosing one of the standard options, click Custom. This is the setting that lets you manually define your own resolution, which is exactly what we need for 5120 by 1080. After you click Custom, a new window will open. At the bottom of that window, you'll see the resolution fields. This is where you can type in your custom size. In the first box, enter 5120. In the second box, enter 1080. Make sure the numbers are entered correctly, because this will determine the final canvas size for your project. Once both values are in place, double-check them one more time so everything matches the ultra-wide format you want. Then click Save to apply the new resolution. CapCut will update the project size to 5120 by 1080, and your timeline will now be set up for that custom aspect ratio. From there, you can continue editing, reposition your clips if needed, and export your final video in the new wide format. And that's it. You now know how to set 5120 by 1080 in CapCut in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy editing guides, and let me know in the comments what CapCut tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.